Today we talk about a new topic, pigeonhole principle. If n pigeons are accommodated in m pigeonholes and n greater than m, then at least one pigeonhole will contain two or more pigeon. I repeat once again. Pigeons are accommodated in m pigeonholes and n should be greater than m. Then at least one pigeonhole will contain two or more pigeon. So from the statement we understood that n should be greater than m. So here n we can assume that pigeons and m is pigeonholes. So pigeon is more than the pigeonholes. For example, suppose we have seven pigeons and six pigeonholes. So according to the principle, how we are going to arrange these pigeons among these holes? So 6 means 6 holes will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for each hole I can accommodate 1 pigeons. So totally how many pigeons are accommodated in each holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pigeons I can easily accommodated in each holes. The remaining one, because how many pigeons are there? 7 pigeons. The remaining 1 pigeons can accommodate any of these holes. From that we can conclude that at least one pigeonhole. Suppose if I accommodate in the first hole, so already we have one pigeons will be there in the first hole. So if I accommodate the last one will be in the first one, that means this hole will contains more than one. So then at least one pigeonhole will contains two or more pigeons. This is the statement of pigeonhole principle. Okay, next we can define the generalization of pigeonhole principle. If generalization of the pigeonhole principle. Okay. If n pigeons are accommodated in m pigeonholes must contain pigeonholes and n greater than m, then one of the pigeonholes must contains at least n minus 1 by m. This symbol will denotes the floor function. N minus 1 by m plus 1 pigeons, where floor of the function x denotes greatest integer less than or equal to x. Greatest integer less than or equal to x. For example, floor of 5.3. Greatest integer less than or equal to 5. So here the answer is 5. Minus 2.5. Floor of the function minus 2.5 means greatest integer less than or equal to. So less than means minus 2. Less than means minus 3. Here the answer is minus 3. In this way we are going to take the value of the greatest function. Okay. Now we move on to some problems related to pigeonhole principle. The very first problem under pigeonhole principle is the very first problem. Show that among 100 people, at least 9 of them were born in the same month. So this is a question. Okay, I repeat once again. Show that among the 100 people, at least 9 of them were born in the same month. So before we solve this problem, we first identify which one we can consider as pigeon and which one we can consider as pigeonhole. Already we know that according to the statement, we know that pigeons are more than the pigeonholes. So here I can assume that the number of pigeons, any guess? Number of pigeon is equal to 100 number of people. So here I can assume that n should be 100. So number of pigeonholes, that is m, will be equivalent to 9 of them were born in the same month. We are going to prove the answer is same month. So in the year, how many months will be there? 12 months. So that pigeonhole will be 12. So according to the statement of pigeonhole principle, I can apply the formula. Generalized pigeonhole principle states that n pigeons can accommodated in m pigeonholes and n should be greater than m. Then at least one pigeonhole must contains n minus 1 floor of n minus 1 divided by m plus 1 pigeons. So this is the statement of generalization of pigeonhole principle. So according to this, what is your value of n? N is 100 minus 1 divided by 12 plus 1 pigeons. At least one hole must contains at least this much of pigeons, isn't it? Okay, so 100 minus 1 will be 99 divided by 12 floor plus 1 pigeons. 99 divided by 12 will be equivalent to 9. That is, it is equivalent to 8.25. 8.25 plus 1 pigeons. So here floor of the function already we defined. It is a greatest integer less than or equal to this number. So greatest integer less than or equal to means the answer is 8. 8 plus 1 pigeons. That means according to the generalization of pigeonhole principle, n pigeons, that is 100 people are accommodated in 12 months must contains at least 9 people were born in the same month. 9 people were born. Here the pigeons are, we assume that number of students, that 9 students were born in the same month. Thank you.